Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. Today we're going to show you the GNET G-ON Truck dash cam. This one is the same as the regular G-ON, but it's made for trucks. So the rear camera is an external camera, as you can see. Has the infrared lights on it. Camera is right now, obviously in the LED, is much more visible on the phone than in live. The camera comes with either 15-meter cable, but you can also order a 20-meter cable. And the front camera is the standard G-ON cam. That we know. As you can see, the camera is very nice, flat mount to the windshield. This camera, you get a very clean look. You also have on this camera the Wi-Fi. We've shown you some videos on our settings. You can see the videos that we have on the settings, how you can change your settings over the phone. So all the settings you see on the G-ON camera is the same for the G-ON Truck version. The only difference, as I said, is the rear camera. The rear camera is meant for outside. It's waterproof. And it's also has a much longer cable, obviously, for trucks. For the G-ON Truck camera, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.